Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today we came to Mr. Jamal's house, and he's living in Dubai, and he's also having a beautiful aviary, as you can see here. So today we are going to see his birds, discuss birds with him, and along with Mr. Jamal, we having Mr. Zishan Bhai from Dubai, Mr. Hassan from Sharjah, and Mr. Imran Bhai from Dubai. So today we are visiting Mr. Jamal Avery.
Yes.
Jamal Bhai, please tell me something about yourself first.
Yeah, my name is Jamal from Dubai. Actually, I'm having some fisher reputations,
MashaAllah.
and let me show you some first. I'm very thankful to you. You all guys came to my aviary. And,
First of all, we all thank to you for giving us a very delicious dinner tonight, and we really enjoyed it. And guys, you know Mr. Jamal, he's a good cook as well, and he make a fabulous dinner tonight, and we had such a great time. Okay, let's start with the birds.
Yeah, I
Okay.
will tell you first. It's first cage.
Okay, this
is
one?
Par blue offline with the deck. It's blue.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already they hatch eggs.
Okay, so we have, mashallah, we have this pair. This is par blue opaline plus deck blue, which
Yeah.
we also call in Pakistan black albino.
Black albino, albino black eye.
Albino black eye,
And
exactly.
this is I have,
Okay, this is second cage.
this is the second cage already. I have eggs here also.
Mashallah.
And,
Okay, first cage already have eggs. We cannot reach there. It's quite high.
Yeah, and this I have a male. This one is a male. It's
Mashallah.
called Mauve DT Blue,
Mashallah, mashallah.
and also the female is the same. These both females are sisters. This
Ah,
one and that one. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that female, that is also deck blue,
Deck blue.
and this deck blue.
Deck
Both are
blue,
female.
both are sisters.
Sister, okay, siblings, okay.
And they have eggs. I will show you. Yeah, I will show you. Okay, give me. It's yeah,
Mashallah. So we have here how many eggs?
four.
4 eggs, mashallah.
Yeah, and then this pair.
Okay, guys, this is third cage,
Cage.
and you can also see here. If you see, it's greenery. He make like money plant, and there are I want to show. It's very like looking very beautiful. Okay, let's come to the
This
third.
is
pair?
this is male, and it came from where?
Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Okay.
And this male, it's green. It's split blue.
Split
and,
offline.
Green U-wing, split blue, split offline.
Okay, mashallah.
Into this one.
Okay, this male is green
Green
U-wing,
U-wing,
split
split
blue,
blue, split
offline with
Into,
par blue.
Par blue.
Par blue offline.
Yeah, par blue.
Mashallah. So they also lay eggs.
No.
Okay.
Not yet.
Bonded?
Yeah.
Mashallah.
And come here, I will show you. This is my favorite pair. So this is male. It's green U-wing offline. And look at the masking. See. And this is female.
Okay.
Already they have eggs, and as you can see, I will show you. I think we can see from here now. Yeah, see. Yeah, they have 4 eggs already, and one already is
One
a
chick. Mashallah. But this is not their eggs, huh?
No, these eggs.
Guys, it's a surprise. We will tell you after maybe
Yeah.
2 or 3 minutes, okay? These eggs belong to other pair. And Mr. Jamal, he did some,
Okay.
fostering. Anyways, let's go to next pair. So
is
this-
our 5th pair.
C5.
I never. Oh, this is not actually pair.
Okay.
This is a pair I have. It's a par blue. This one. What is called?
This is par blue offline pastel.
Yeah, par blue.
Par blue offline pastel plus
This one.
these two are
Yeah, this one.
Decino, huh?
Decinos. Yeah, which we have a call like Criminos, but it's not Eno. So these are the pair, and this the male is the separate.
Guys, this is new pair. Okay, so they are going to be, you know, bonded pair in future, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay.
And this one, mashallah, this is my starting pair.
Okay, this is one of the starting pair.
Yeah.
So when you bought it? 2 years back?
It's 1.5 years.
Okay, when you started actually breeding fishery?
Breeding fishery, I started like 2 years ago.
2 years. But Rosy
Before-
Collies you were
before,
doing?
Yeah, 3.5 years.
Okay, guys, he was in Lovebird since last 3 years.
See, mashallah. This is
Mashallah.
the female. This one, the first
Okay.
one. And the back side, it's
Male.
male. And
So
they
both are
also
visual par blue
offline.
oplines.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
They
And
have a
they
egg
already
also.
laid eggs.
Yeah.
Mashallah, mashallah.
These
Two eggs are here.
Mashallah, mashallah. It's two right
So
now.
today I think he
So I
gave
was, yeah.
new egg, huh?
Yeah.
1 plus 1, 2. Mashallah.
Okay,
so,
so-
this was C6.
I will tell you C7. Yeah, this is my pair. It's this is green.
I'll come to
It's
the side.
yeah.
Okay.
You can see as it's normal. You will see it's a normal blue fishy and green fishy, but it's both are split
Tail
tail fellows.
Oh,
Yeah.
mashallah.
See the masking and see it's
The
this
size is
one.
awesome, super size. If you can
see
see. Mashallah. And this is again bonded pair
Yeah.
and they lay eggs?
No, not yet.
Inshallah. They will, inshallah.
But
Beautiful
I like
pair.
this pair. You know.
Yes, mashallah.
Yeah, mashallah.
Blue into green is always, you know, good. When you are pairing blue into green, it always give you good mutations. Mashallah.
Okay, so this one I have albino. Albino, it's a male, and this one par blue.
Okay, this is for criminal
Yeah,
working.
this is for the criminal working. But actually, I will pair this one, this deck. I will
Okay.
pair up
So he's going to change this
Yeah.
pair and he will give deck
for the
Decino
for
to
the-
albino
Yeah,
for
the
criminal
criminal
working.
Yeah, exactly.
So he's going to break this pair. Okay.
Again, this one it's albino. It's very good. This is actually like 8 months. 8 months.
Already bonded, huh?
Yeah.
They lay eggs?
No, not yet. But
Mashallah.
there's a female. It's a pale fellow.
Okay. Split.
Yes, wait.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Okay.
Look at the
Mashallah.
color, mashallah.
Mashallah. Good size, good marking, especially this violet fishery. This is also split pale fellow.
Pale fellow,
Mashallah.
yeah. Okay, so. जी हाँ मैं ये
Okay, now this is Rosy Collie, long feather. Okay, this is
okay. This I have a very first my pair when I started this one.
Okay.
So this is my
this is the startup pair.
yes.
Okay, mashallah, very good
Yeah,
size,
this is a
Rosy
female.
Collie.
Yeah, this is a female and very aggressive female. You know.
Yes, I can see that.
And this
and
one
this
is
is long
male.
feather,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Mashallah, very huge size, and they have eggs also. And I told you guys, there's a surprise.
Mashallah.
Mashallah, there's a chick. Mashallah, 2 chicks, huh?
Yeah.
And both chicks are belong to that fishery.
Yeah.
You know, which we saw above.
It's green into green. This one offline.
Green opaline,
Green Ewing offline into blue offline.
blue opaline. And if you can see Rosy Collies, they are very good posture pair.
Yeah.
And they are taking good care of, you know, fishery chicks. Mashallah.
Okay. So
This was C10
C10
and now we'll go to C11.
C11 actually this one it's a normal fisher.
Okay.
This is but this one I kept for C. This one
For fostering, huh?
for pair.
So this eggs belong to them or
No, the other.
which birds?
It's this one, the first one.
Which?
This one. Offline, green offline into deck.
Okay. So guys, this is foster pair, mashallah. You can see green fishery, wild, always good for
fostering.
Yeah, it's very good.
All four
Yes.
eggs belong to that pair, huh?
Yeah.
Green opaline into deck blue.
No, it's not a green opaline. It's a par blue opaline.
Okay, par blue opaline into deck. These eggs belong to that pair, and mashallah, they already hatch one baby hatch, and it looks green, huh? Maybe
Yeah.
green opaline, mashallah.
Okay. So,
So this is the end, and we have one
Rosella.
Rosella, mashallah. This is male.
Very nice.
He will bring a pair for this one, female.
Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
Yes, beautiful. And
Okay, so
then
now
we have some
We
other
have
three.
Lutino. We have this Lutino pair. Lutino into deck.
Okay, this is also bonded pair.
Yeah. This one is a female. Lutino. Lutino is a female and the deck is a male.
Mashallah. And
And I have this pair. This is green Ewing. This one. The male is a green Ewing and female. You will see the female. It's a huge size. I have it.
mashallah, mashallah, very big size. And Ewing is also, I think, split.
Yeah, it's straight blue.
Mashallah. And here we have one single guy.
Single, it's Rosie Coley, but Yeah.
Actually, there's a story behind this Rosie Kohli. Mr. Jamal will tell.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Jamal.
Actually-
What is the story?
Yeah, we went to the BBA. There is some event.
Mr. Jamal also a BBA active member, mashallah.
Yeah.
And okay.
So when we go there, so there was some surprise lucky draw. Yeah.
Lucky draw.
So we in our group we won like three prizes. I won this one, and one of my other friend Mustafa also he won this
Rosie Kohli.
Rosie Coley,
But
and the one and only
Mr. Imran. He
So
won
he
a
won,
bag of seeds, mixed seeds,
yeah,
mashallah,
the
20 kg,
20 kg.
and he lift that bag. He went to his home, mashallah. So this is the end of our video. I hope everybody like it.
I have one thing I have to say something to you, or not you, which guys they are not keeping our every hygienic and not clean.
Okay.
So just I am telling them to just clean your every first time when you came I think 1 year ago.
Yes, yes.
So that time you told me it's looking like it's looking like a new. You started a new, right?
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
remember, right?
Yes, yes,
So that time I say no, it's 2 years back.
yes, yes.
So now, Alhamdulillah, since until now, as you can see, I'm trying to do my best to keep my
Every neat and
every
clean.
neat and clean.
Guys, you can see it's an inspiration to
Because,
all the
if
newcomers.
You will
Yes.
keep your every clean, so you can enjoy yourself as well.
Exactly,
Like,
exactly.
You can sit, you can enjoy, you will see the nature.
Yes.
So this is the thing.
Mashallah, it's a wonderful one of the best aviaries, in UAE, especially in Dubai. And you can see the quality of birds, quality of the arrangements, and you can see some greenery here. Nice sitting. We had a great time with Mr. Jamal. Mashallah.